We're going to use these 4 ingredients to make a delicious St. Patrick's Day treat. So I've got cream cheese and I've got some lime gelatin. This one's sugar-free, but you could use just regular. And then we've got some whipped cream and some crushed pineapple. So let's go make it. Okay, we're going to start out by using our pineapple here. I'm going to open it up. And then we're going to drain it because we don't want all the extra liquid in there. I'm going to be safe and put this down first and put this in here so I don't get it everywhere. Okay. Drain off all of our liquid from that. Okay, I think that's pretty good, and I'm going to go ahead and dump this down inside there. Okay, so I've got my drained pineapple in, and then I just put my cream cheese in and realized it wasn't recording, so that's as far as we got now. We're going to go ahead and mix up this cream cheese with just a hand mixer. Okay, I've been beating this for about 2 minutes. So I've got it to this consistency. You can kind of see. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my jello. I'm going to do this with the mixer too. Okay, that is smelling really good already. So now I'm going to come in and add my final ingredient, which is going to be this whipped topping. I'm going to add in the whole carton. And I probably should have gotten a bigger bowl for this, but I'm going to see if I can still do it. Once again, I'm going to use the mixer. Okay, I think I'm going to finish this off by hand. I'm going to add it to this cute little container here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then I think I'm going to add a little spray of Cool Whip on the top. I've just got some original, good old Walmart brand. And I think that looks pretty good. Let's give it a try.